Chiri wumbi nda jol wasai sai na mchongon jam garanga na pya sa dala bra bodo ke no wai la ko se do ko na la sana wa ma yin ma ne wumdi ko ba wanda dala jan ko na mam kul ye be yara do ya kul jirgo pa bi dan wa pa bi ko na la sana ne wumdi won ya ka go zan yel melana ton po yin ye san de dire dara banan kan ka da ban ye no wurma sengala sanai
This is Chief Jamana. I'm standing here to greet everybody, my brothers and sisters. I'm here to introduce myself to the people, for people to know that or to see me and believe that there are real things in life. That is why I'm here, to show myself to the people to see me live. Some people claim that they have a powers and they are just introducing themselves, or they are just showing themselves in television, showing people that they have a powers, not knowing that there are powers. Some people have a powers more than what they are explaining about. That is why I'm here, to show my powers for the people to see and believe that I really have a power to help people or to protect people in life. That is why I'm standing here to introduce myself to the people to know that I can change people's life or I can help people out of the problems. I'm there here, Ghana, and I have a location for a many ways or for a many places like Northern region, Western region, South. I have a location like Northern region, Greater Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi. And if you want to see me, try to contact me and your problem will be solved or your problem will be okay for you. That is why I'm standing here to introduce myself for the people to know that there are really things in life. My brother, don't waste your time. Try to come to me and I'll change your life to you, and I'll change your destiny for you. Don't waste your time. Come to me. I'm a Chief Jamana, and I'm standing here to introduce myself to the people for them to know that I can change people's life for so many ways. I can change people's life for so many ways. Like if you want instant money, I can help you for you to change your life. And if you need a ritual money, I can help you. If you want a protection for your work, promotion for your work site, I can help you for you to get promotion for your work site. My brother or my sisters, don't waste your time. Try to take my number or try to watch what I'm saying to you and believe. I'm not afraid for anything because I believe what I'm doing about and I believe what I have. If I don't have the spirit or if I cannot do anything what I'm talking about, I cannot be wasting my time to standing here to introduce myself to the people. So I want you people to know that Chief Jamana can stand here to tell you people, for you to know that I can change your destiny for you people. So my brothers and sisters, don't waste your time. Come to me. I promise that I can help you. So you need to take my number, or you need to take my you need to take your time to listen what I was talking about, and you see what will happen to you. By the closing of the work, and you see that what I was doing to you is lie or I'm telling you the truth. Some people claim that they can change your life for you. Now know that they are taking their people money when I'm not doing anything. And I'm telling you is that I'm here to change people's destiny, or I'm here for the traditional to show people that, as the people saying that they have the spirit. No, I can't tell that they don't have the spirit. They have it, but the spirit, we have it, different types of spirit. You understand? So I want people to know that Chief Jamana can change your life or can let you become a someone in your life forever. So I'm not claiming that I have the powers, but I have the powers. But I want people to take my number on the screen and I show to the people that I can change their destiny for them. And if you don't believe what I'm saying about, take my number and try me and see. There are a lot of things that I'm helping people out of the problems. If you want instant money, ritual money, pocket no dry, bucket money, pot money, I can help you. Lotto number, protection for your enemies, I can help you. If you want to promote for your work, I can help you. My brother, don't waste your time. Come to me and you see what action that you will see in your life. But some people that they are just claiming and say that you should bring this amount. You know, in the spiritually, if you have to help someone, try to let the person succeed before. You cannot say the person cannot come happy before he cannot give you the thing that he have to give it to you. So my brothers, don't waste your time. Come to me. Chief Damana can change your life at once, and you will never suffer in your life forever. So I'm telling you, or I'm telling people for them to know that Chief Damana can change your destiny for you. If you want to travel to abroad, people, your enemies deceiving you, and you cannot survive in your life, don't worry, or you shouldn't be afraid for anything. Come to me. I promise that I can change your life for you. You know, in this life, if you don't have money, you are nothing. So what are you waiting your life for? You're supposed to try your best, or you're supposed to work hard and get money. That is why I'm here, to introduce myself to the people, for them to know that people are just claiming that they have the powers, but they don't have it. And taking people money, and people are just complaining to a lot of things, that people are just taking their money. But come to me, you know that power I have a real spirit that I can use to change people's life. So don't waste your time, or don't take your time for the people. Come to me, take my number. I am Chief Damana. Take my number and come to me. I will show you how the power is. I will change your life for you to maintain your life, or I will change your life for you to become a rich person in your life forever. Open your own businesses, companies, and so many ways. My brother, don't waste your time. Come to me and you see what will happen. I'm a powers. I have the powers, and the powers that I'm using, I do not go to anybody to take it. I'm using my 4 para things, powers to help people. So I cannot use them to lie to anybody. If you bring yourself, or if you bring your problem to me and I cannot help you, I will just better tell you the truth that I can't help you. Before you bring your problem to me, I need to consult the gods that this man bring his problem to me. What can I do for that person? Or this woman bring his problem to me. What can I do? I need to consult before I can now go through the work. And if you believe me, what I'm doing about my brother or my sisters, you also survive in your life. You will never sit down and cry again. You understand? I know that before you do something, you need to survive before, or you need to suffer a lot before doing it. So I want you people to know that I have the real powers, and I can use it to do what I wanted to do, because I really have the goals, and the goals I follow my instructions. So if I tell you that I can help you, you're supposed to follow my instructions. And if you follow my instructions, you also see that your life will be changed. So I want you people to know and believe that and trust that I can help you. And as I said I can help you, I already helping people. That is why I boast that I can help you. If I say I can help you, now try to know that I already helping people before that. That is why I trust that I can help you. I will never lie, because we are all human beings together. You understand? So people, or my brothers and sisters, don't waste your time. People just claim that they have the powers. I can't say that they don't have the powers, but try to test me, or try to take my number on the screen, and I show you how the power is. I can show you how the power is. So don't waste your time for the people, or don't waste your money for the people. Try to know that, or try to understand that Chief Damana can change your life, or can change your destiny at once for you. I just want to stand here and introduce myself very well to the people. I'm a Dagomba tribe, so I want to explain something for the Dagomba people to understand, so that the people will know that in our language we are not boasting. We have a real powers, and we can use it to do whatever that we wanted to do. Maybe pasara min da chimba so kami boba ni ya aza gana niri nyama kam be no den rejir kam tuma du be lul kam be kan nu son na nirba kar be lul kam a changa kran tuma du be repune a changa kuma se takura de bolga tanga tuma du be mana kan son na nirba to a bo na nye jama de be a bo na nye ndu tuma sham pama maka on number television mazo anya ndu tuma sham on kuma jir bi agu pune jirbu viala manji de kuto ya ni sha atu viala ya nirbu mbar jire be nirbu yare ne butum de tumango kambo ne zante do soka tutura tv zo ma ne pa mu so tutura tv mbo ne nirbu bam nirenye tem berinye kama bunyar bisheshele tem mela tem metem ma mu tem to boile so sane ngbabla ya nam tsima zan le do yema lo zo mban mem pun gbagbabla ha kan tika ta pale to mbora mabi ne dagban tabo me musulun tawa ne bo bang ni tim mum ku jan me ka che tim anini be trai yin ta in kanya am ban ne tim jan dinya la bor le gare la karabia go pune na ablanti wala bia go pune kam na mane chief jamana ni abia go den tata nyela ngunu to no la zanta ka dar kar pune abona tuma chan tuni abora son sam dan pa sono musra abia go pune agom shi akto sono musra kamna man chief jamana sane nyela ni so ngunne to songa kar zaci sombo ni jelem mabi da bamba bal kam ngun jane yala zo sa ambala bangma ma so dir wala zan pa biagu polo abora pocket no dry bucket money pot money du so ya pam ai bona ye kam na kam yin pam ma ka ko le nambon man chief jamana kan wa be sheshe din chaka be sheshe nirwo ne yingar shire be nirwo ne yara ne mo malatsima tima bela tabne anto kunu na malatsima ka tima bela tabne du so kan bona zan zumo nchaka nirwo ban ne so mun nyama man chief jamana nirwo pam ma ka lime chief ma ka ko namba ma bolma I'm a chief jamana. I just want to stand here and take action and people to know and see real things in life. I don't claim that I have the power, but I have the powers. If you have something, if you have powers and you do not introduce your people to know that you have the powers, try to introduce yourself to the people to know that you have the powers. I'm a chief jamana. I just want people to understand and see. If you want a packet not dry, you see this spiritual thing. I can show it for you people to know and see that. I want people to see this thing. What is inside there? I want people to see what is inside there. I just want to show the powers for people to know that I really have the powers. Agbula mino palzem. O jigi mami wata kontambra tamna dade sa mami brache Idris. Ya Idris gansu yang gansu nada. Free comme si ade kabla oba ya maula basanti kofi chimande. Bring the money inside the wallet. I want people to see. Hey, Hasa Kabacha, bring the money. O jigi mami wata kontambra tamna dade safi mami brache Idris gansu yang gansu. Zanna. Jande zomna ni pom ni kabzan fa zan tra. O jigi pom jimi nya je so nyama tubra. Tati ku sofra azan dele mi no pa azan pom tete kwa ku kombela vema e blenyo e gama ve kun karam param pa jase blaga we esi enyo eva kama bagbasila no ba na ba patanables. I command you to the Holy Spirit. I command you to bring money. I want you to bring real spirit. O jigi mami wata contemporary tambonaza baruta na mtu mamilo pa Fatima dele mi no pa jigal zan pom sanna jande zanuna o jigi mami wata contemporary tam jande zomna ni pom nemu jande mma ya yo ohum yiri katachi mma sitima milchi lonchi akatachi mo ale zomna I just want people to see that there are real things in life. Hey, mami, water, tam. Zomna ni problem. Kafre kumino pa zintu ku kombela via mo tam. I just want to show people to see there are real things in life. Chande, if you want packet no dry, my brothers and sisters, don't waste your time. Come to me and I'll do this thing for you inside the packet no dry. Each and every blessed day, any amount of money you need, you can get it from there. Don't waste your time. Come to me. I am Chief Jamana. I can help you for you to survive in your life. I can change your destiny for you. I just want people to see. You see, this is pounds. This is US dollar and Ghana cedis. I just want people to know and trust that I can help people or I can change people's life together. I don't claim that I have the powers. Now I want people to see real things. I want people to see real things that I have the powers. Like the way I explain to the peoples, or like the way I explain to the public. I just want people to understand or to see how packet no dry is. Like this thing, packet no dry, there are a lot of ways. Or if you want, like the way I show, I just want people to see the actions or to see examples. It is not only this small amount of money that you can remove inside the packet no dry. You can even remove even 1 billion, 2 billion and above 1 billion US dollar in packet no dry. But I just want people to see the action. Like the way I said, I want people to see the action. That is why I show the action for people to know. That is why I charm US dollar, pounds and the cedis. And if you want a packet no dry, come to me. This is the secret of the packet no dry. This is the secret of packet no dry. This is the secret of packet no dry. If you come to me, I will do it for you. If you are a woman or you are a man, if you are a lady, and you are coming, buy this wallet for me. If you buy this wallet, there are some items that we need to buy. That item is important for me to use it to do this thing for you. And any amount of money you need in the wallet, you will get it. And if you are a man and you need packet no dry, my brothers and sisters, take care and listen to what I was explaining to you people. Some people, they are just ignorant. If you explain something to him, he will not take it inside his mind. He will just take it for his own way. My brother and sisters, this is the secret of packet no dry. And if you are a man, if you are coming to me, Chief Jamana, bring the wallet. Bring the wallet and the items that we need to do. If you call me, I will explain the items for me. It is in public. There is no need for me to explain everything inside the public. I don't want to view my secret, everything for people to know, or people to know what I'm doing about. But if you call me, if you want it, or if you're interested, call me, Chief Jamana. I will explain everything to him. Don't waste your time. Come to me, Chief Jamana. I can change your destiny for you. And you will be just come happy in your life forever. I said, I promise, we are all human beings together. Don't waste your time. My brothers and sisters, come to me. This is the packet no dry secret. When you come to me, you will see how your destiny will change for you. If you are a lady or if you are a man, come. If you are a lady and you are come, buy this pouch for me, packet wallet for me. I will do it inside there and give it to you. And this thing, I will work the thing inside and give it to you. And if you are a man or if you are a boy, come to me. If you need packet no dry, I can do it and do this thing, including for you. And you take it as your secret. And I want people to understand, as I already said the earlier on, I'm a Dagoma tribe. And as I'm a Dagoma tribe, I'm not helping only people. They are hearing English or Ashanti peoples or Benjara peoples or other things. The Goma people are also coming to me. So if I explain English I need to introduce myself to my Dagomba tribe for people to understand or to hear. So Ndagon do taba. Ibele boba ni yaza. Tizanya nangban yini ni taba. This year bokaja gula. Bien bokaja gura. Pangma maka zanga mangna. Nkana chief jamanasan. Nya ni fo songun ni to songa ka biago bia ka to ni tibo jang to ni. Don mala musra. Demdem musra. Bula ka bia gu puni ajim ka bia gu munu da sanjen. Du ayi kamna chief jamanasan nya ni fo songun ni to songa ka bia gu kamza chan de zanta. Do waste our time. Come now, Chief Jamanasan. Biago come then chant the desanta. I bought a pocket no dry. Yerma Ashili. Ninkura Sabra go and little do Malugu. The Yana Masa Zaz drop them me. Cutting young cat to Pille. Capiago Buzelta. I Pabua mon yellow Yambakani. Aqua Cheka Cana. The Cheka you bring young Woka Lama. Be Cheka Tanto Kakana. Katu to tip them tea in a Tizan Lazan to they chanted the shell. They chanted that one. The Ashima Bongo. I cannot send I put number. Chief Mazo Mbwelma. Nila Nifo Somun and Nongula. When it Melvin Shakam, then when the yellow Shakam, don't turn it to Shamzazanta. Ama, there was some say Nizani Zamatus or Bear Points on the yellow Bishakam Caso comes up. Am I put number Mbwelma? Ni yellow Bishakam then Jenny. Duzokan Yaram Musul, Mabi Taba, Dagban Taba. Balle come, you will get as when you can be Dagbanabe, Farfarabe Choco, Yelmoni, Chief Jamana, Yelan Musun to Songa. Abjago Punaka, Kakulan to Ala Halti Junior. Kashirme Kamaka Fireman Yale Yanam Bukatan come to the Tuma. I never could do, never could Bawa Kanava Futanga. Gulaka, the Bampamunga Bungaya, Nete could do Yunkas, Ninukuru could do Yunka Tebusa. Apamana Yala Kamnumale. Chief Jamana, Unson Nirba, Tundia. South Africa, Botswana, Italy, Benin, Nigeria, but here Ghana. Ghana won't now pull to Kanye for Shamson. Ama yellow Tumabo Tum Sumsina Tumdele, Kavir Dashile, now you was up Pichanum Nakanya. Ama Biagupun, the bed Nissa Slipun, there was some sort of Sondira, Kacheka, so comes up on the new song called Nissala. The Zokan Zanite. Nirbi yala no maltim bunto so nirka nyel rabunto no ngombe yer kane de biane ama so kam no malo malo pa o tim te pasa ashele bio opukata kam so kam malo bukata ni chanta za ashele tai bo na nyi tim bu ma yer ni tim la kam na mane don kalse be jami tunu kam dum paka kon gom so no bugra abor na nyi tuma pel tuma kai bo so je tuma doctor Tuma kam ka ebora kam na man sane nya ne so won to so kana abi ogu chan de desanta so paquet no dry moma ka izenyale to ngo ezale ke kalan ta bon be kalan ta shel polo kalan ta kama ni tuma ma lu shel polo kama ebora instant money me nya ne instant money ma I want people to know the important thing about the instant money. Something you do, like if you just get loan from the bank, or if you borrow people money and people are just harassing you for their money, my brother and sister, don't waste your time. Come to Chief Jamana. I will change your destiny for you. I want people to know that they are lifting in life. Hey, my brothers and sisters, I want people to know. Hey, I want to show the real things in life. Oh jiggy jiggy, oh jiggy jiggy, oh jiggy jiggy. I want to show these things for people to see. My brothers and sisters, what is inside this bag? What is inside? There is nothing inside the bag. When I close them, when I open, people will see what I'm talking about. I want people to see the real things. Today, this is Chief Jamana. I'm standing here to introduce myself. Oh, jiggy jiggy, mami, what a contemporary and that did that is from Mami Bra. Shay Idris, ya Idris, Gans, young Gans, Zanuna. 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 Oh, jiggy jiggy, Zanuna. Oh, jiggy jiggy, mami, what a contemporary and that did that is from Mami Bra. Shay Idris, ya Idris, Gansu, young Gansu. Kafre kumino pa zinchoko kwamba vema kwantambra tamna kwantambra tambona za baruta namtuma no umino pa fatwa delo umino pa jiga azumfom jimiji nya jesu nyama nyama tubura dati ku zofre azindel ti umino pa azumfom ti kwa ku kwamba vema egbelenyo egama ve kumkara para pa charge setima blaga wo AC enyo eva kaba bagbasleno but now batanable. I just want people to see the real action today. This is Chief Jamana and I want to show people actions. I want people to know. I want to tag everybody and everybody see the enemies or those people there say that they are ignorant people. I want them to see the right things. That is why I'm tagging them. Those people they say that they are ignorant. I want people to see real things. That is why I want to show people real things in life. Oh jiggy jiggy, mami wata kwantambura tam. Jande ya kuntum abe wulum pumbe awulum zande isna yon tumo bon katem kabzan mo kabzan fanzantra o jigi jigi mami wata kwantambra ta zamna zande jomna no pobo nebo mona changla India USA Cameroon lulu kam tizan na kazan chumba be jande jomna no pobo nebo kabzan bo kabzan fanzantra o jigi jigi zanna What is that? That is real dollars. The bundles of US dollars. I want people to see and believe that they are living in life. What is that? What is this? That is dollars. I want people to see and understand that they are real things in life. If I say I can do something, that is instant money. If you come to me, all your problem will solve. Believe me and trust what I'm saying. Hey, mami wata, sanuna. Jande, come to me. Everything will solve to you. Agbila, mami wata contemporary. Ojigi, mami wata contemporary. Sanuna. That is real dollars. Hey, for him, you know, pa azine. Zanuna. Kafre kumino pa zinchoku kombe vemo kontambra tambona za baruta namtuma mino pa fantuma dele mino pa jiga azimfam ma ya yo ohumi yiri kataki ma sitima miliki lonchi akataki moale zomna zanunna zanunna ma ya yo. I want people to know this is Ghana series. The series of US dollar, Ghana series. You see it? That is 200 notes. I will see it. I want people to see and believe. Zanuna, ojigi, mami wata kwantambrantam. Ojigi, zanuna. Zanuna, ojigi, mami wata kwantambrantam bonaza baruta namtuma. No parfaitement. Zanuna. Hey, come to Chief Jamana. All your problems will be okay for you. Zanuna. Hey, that is Chief Jamana. If you come to me, all your problems will be solved for you. You understand? My brothers and sisters, if you are in America, USA, Nigeria, Cameroon, any place where you there, come to me. I have a branch for a lot of places. I have a place for a lot of places. Come to me. All your problems will solve. It is not that I'm doing only Ghana series or what. US dollar, pounds, cedis, safer, any money that you need, I can do it for you. Hey, ojigi, zanuna, the waste that. That is US dollar. What are you waiting for? Come to Chief Demana and you see how your problem will solve to you. Come to Chief Demana. Hey, Ochiki, Sanungna, What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? That is Chief Demana. You see the pounds? Come to me, Chief Demana. Don't waste your time, my brothers and sisters. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. All your problems will be solved for you. Come to me. Chief Demana can change your life for you. If not me, who can change your destiny for you? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Come to me. Come to me. Your problem will be okay for you. You see this money? That is 1,000 US dollar. I want to share it for the people to see. You see, people to see and understand things. That as I say, I have the power. If you need instant money, come to Chief Demana. I can change your destiny for you. You see the money. You see the real things. I will not explain much for people to see. But if you come to me, you also see that I can change your life, your destiny for you. Chief Demana can change your destiny for you. You see this pounds of the pounds, the bundles of pounds. Chief Demana. You see the hero. Do you see the hero? I can change your destiny for you. If not me, who can change your destiny for you? If I say this and I show you the examples, Chief Demana can change your destiny for you. You see the hero. 100 euro. 100 euro of the bundles. See the pounds. See the safer. Come to me. Any country that you dare. Come to Chief Demana. I will change your destiny for you. See the amount of money. And if I say something, I will never lie to you. What are you waiting for? My brothers and sisters. What are you waiting for? Come to me. You are wasting your time. And people say that they have the powers. I want people to say, I will not talk much. 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 But take my number on this screen. Or I will call my number for people to see. If you are interested, contact me on WhatsApp. I'm standing here to greet everybody. What I done, I thank to everybody and I greet to everybody. Thank you for so much. I'm standing here to greet everybody. But if you are interested, take my number on the screen and call me. You will hear more information. Goodbye.